Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a progress bar in Canva. Now, technically, you can create your own progress bar by using shapes that is arranged in a way that it's going to resemble a progress bar. So you can, for example, make it thinner and then you can make it longer and you can change the color into, let's say, blue, and then you can copy it and then you want to move the copied version. Sorry, you want to move that right here and you can change it to a different color. It is a basic construction of a progress bar. While you can definitely do that, but that is not the most elegant approach because it's going to be difficult to pinpoint the progress or what's the percentage of the progress bar. So we want to use something that is actually very useful or very easy to use. For example, I have this progress bar that I created using a native feature that we have in Canva. So what you need to do is you have to go to the element section and you want to scroll down a bit and you want to navigate to the section that says chart. Click on it. And after that, you want to scroll down again and on the infographic chart section, you can click see all again. And you can select this progress bar, for example, or I'm going to use this one. I think it looks a lot more interesting. And then as you can see on the left side menu of the screen, there is an option to change the style. There is an option to adjust the percentage. And also there is this option to make this progress bar thinner or thicker. And there is a percentage label. You can enable that. And there is a rounded endpoint if you want to have something that looks a lot more smooth and softer. But anyway, I'm going to be using the default setting for that. So that is basically how you can create a simple progress bar in Canva. I hope you found this video to be helpful and I'll see you on the next video.